Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss electrophoresis, and the contents of the discussion are introduction, definition, types of electrophoresis, application and references. Theory of electrophoresis. Electrophoresis is a physical method of analysis which involves separation of compounds that are capable of acquiring electric charge in conducting electrodes. In other words, we can also say that electrophoresis applies to such molecules or compounds those have the ability to get ionized. The definition: electrophoresis may be defined as the migration of charged particle through a solution under the influence of external electric field. The solution in which such charge transfer take place is known as electrolyte. Ions that are suspended between two electrodes tends to travel towards the electrode that bears opposite charges, because we know the basic principle of electrostats: like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. The rate of travel of particles depend upon following factors. First, characteristics of particle, properties of electric field, temperature and nature of suspended medium. In electrophoresis, the components tends to separate by migrating in different rates and help us to segregate and isolate our compounds that are desirable. Types of electrophoresis. The two broad types of electrophoresis are zone electrophoresis and moving boundary electrophoresis. Zone electrophoresis includes paper electrophoresis, gel electrophoresis, thin layer electrophoresis, cellulose acetate electrophoresis. And moving boundary electrophoresis includes capillary electrophoresis, isotachophoresis, isoelectric focusing, immunoelectrophoresis. Zone electrophoresis, it involves the migration of charged particles on supporting media like paper, cellulose acetate membrane, starch gel or polyacrylamide. Components separated are distributed into discrete zone on the supporting media. The supporting media is saturated with buffer solution. Small volume of sample is applied as a narrow band. On application of the band at the ends of the strip, components migrate at different rate and based on their electrophoretic mobility gets segregated. The advantage of zone electrophoresis are useful in biochemical investigation. Small quantity of sample can be analyzed. Cost is low and easy maintenance. The disadvantages of this technique are unsuitable for accurate mobility and isoelectric point determination. Due to the presence of supporting medium, technical complications such as capillary flow, electroosmosis, adsorption and molecular sieving are also interfered. The general method of operation is: firstly, saturation of medium with the buffer, sample application, electrophoretic separation, removal of supporting media. And the instrumentation includes electrophoretic chamber, electrodes, diffusion barriers, supporting and stabilizing media. These supporting media are inert in nature. Now coming to moving boundary electrophoresis, the principle behind this type of electrophoresis is the moving boundary method allows the charged particle or the species to migrate in free moving solution without a supporting medium. Following is the instrumentation, and diagrammatic representation shows that it consists of U-shaped glass cell of rectangular cross section with electrodes placed on each of the limbs of the cell. Sample solution is introduced at bottom or through the side arm in the apparatus, and the temperature of the bath is maintained to 40 degrees Celsius. Detection is done by measuring the refractive index throughout the solution. The advantages of this technique are: biologically active fractions can be recovered without the use of denaturing agents. A reference method for measuring electrophoretic mobilities. Minute concentration of sample can also be detected. Disadvantage: it is costly. Elaborate optical systems are required for detection. Application of this method includes: it is included in the study of homogeneity of macromolecular system. Analysis of complex biological mixtures can be done by the system. The applications of electrophoresis are mentioned here as DNA quenching, medical research, protein research, agricultural testing, analysis of terpenoids, steroids, antibiotics, separation of organic acids. So we can say that the electrophoresis can be applied in all the dimensions of chemistry, food industry, and other agricultural industries also. These are the references. Thank you.